Picture this, a bustling park on a sunny afternoon, people strolling, jogging, and enjoying the day. Suddenly, a man with a realistic spray mechanism hidden in his sleeve walks past a group of picnickers. As he pretends to sneeze, a fine mist sprays out, causing momentary confusion and shock among the onlookers. Their expressions of surprise quickly turn to laughter when they realize it's just a prank. Meanwhile, his partner captures every hilarious reaction on camera, sealing the day with laughter and camaraderie amidst the pranksters and the laughing crowd.